Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for October 15th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off today. We did get a strong start to the earnings season. We'll get to more of that in just a moment, but today the Dow Jones Industrial Average finished higher by 237 points. The S&P 500 was higher by 29. The Nasdaq managed to gain 100 points, and the Russell 2000 finished higher by 17 points. The bond market did retrace today, showed weakness, and the yield on the 10-year note moving up to 1.769%. Crude oil was down on some weaker than expected Chinese economic data. It was lower by 70 cents or 1.3%, while gold finished lower by $12.70 despite more weakness in the US dollar. Here it is against the CAD, and here's the dollar index. Now, let's go to that earnings picture. And this morning, there were 11 companies that reported earnings before market open. 9 out of the 11 actually beat expectations. Included in that group were UnitedHealth, UNH, and they got a nice bump higher, closing higher by a little over 8%. Johnson & Johnson also beat expectations and were higher by a little over 1.5%. And JPMorgan was another one with strong numbers, and they closed higher by 3%. The two that missed were Goldman Sachs and Wells Fargo. Both of those missed. Oops, let's try that again. There it is. There's Wells Fargo, and let's make sure we had the right Goldman Sachs chart. Yeah, there it is. Both did fairly well, though, by the end of the day, but both did report disappointing numbers. Of course, earnings season continues. There's more aftermarket close today as well. There's the biggie tomorrow in Netflix. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.